Welcome to the Carrier Connect Thermostat. The Carrier Connect Thermostat is easy to install, easy to set up, and easy to use. In this video, we'll walk you through the installer setup process and show you how to connect to the building wireless network. By now, the thermostat should be installed on the wall and powered on. Now, you need to access the installer settings menu using the following series of commands. Swipe your finger right 3 times to access the mode screen. Set your thermostat to the off position. Navigate to the fan screen with 2 swipes left. Press and hold the fan icon for 5 seconds. Once this sequence is complete, you'll see the System Settings screen. From here, you can manage the installer settings based on the needs of the building system. Now you're ready to connect to the building's wireless network and register the Carrier Connect thermostat with the user's smartphone or tablet. First, download the Carrier Connect app on your mobile device. You can download the app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app. Click on the User Setup link on the home screen and select Register New Account. Work with the building owner to register new account credentials. Fill in the account login and contact fields and hit Submit. Now, you can navigate to your email to find the message with your activation link. Open the message and click on the Open Connect App button. The Connect app will now open, indicating your registration is successful. You're now ready to connect the thermostat to the app. Simply log in with your credentials provided in the previous step and click on Set Up New Thermostat. To do this, you'll need to connect your mobile device directly to the thermostat using your device's Wi-Fi connection. First, select the Wi-Fi icon in the upper left corner of your thermostat. Take note of the thermostat SSID. Select Setup to enable the setup mode on the thermostat. Now you're ready to connect to the thermostat with your mobile device. This process is a little different on iOS and Android devices. On iOS devices, open the Wi-Fi settings, select the Wi-Fi network that matches the thermostat SSID, then follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the network. The Carrier Connect app will open, and you'll see that you're successfully connected to the thermostat within the app. On Android devices, the app may select the thermostat's SSID automatically. If multiple networks are available, a prompt will appear. Select the Wi-Fi network that matches the thermostat SSID beginning with CMML to connect to the thermostat. Next, it's time to tell the Carrier Connect app how to connect to the site network. You'll see a list of Wi-Fi networks available to the Carrier Connect app. Select the site Wi-Fi network and provide the password if required. The Carrier Connect app will connect to the site network and your app will indicate the device is connected and linked to your app account. A final step in registration allows you to provide your servicing dealer name and phone number. You're now fully registered. If you have any questions or need help setting up your thermostat, you can contact your local Carrier distributor. You're now in control. Welcome once more to the world of the Carrier Connect thermostat.